Have you ever wondered how deep cleansing black soap is actually made? Well, today you're about to discover the full process step by step and learn how to create your own powerful black soap right from the comfort of your home. In this video, I'll walk you through all the ingredients, the exact measurements, and the simple method you need to follow, so stay with me till the end. Let's get started. First, I've dissolved my caustic soda in water. This is a very important step. After stirring it properly, I'll set it aside to cool down completely. Next, we move on to our oils. These are carefully measured and blended together. When these oils combine, they create the base of something truly powerful. A soap that doesn't just cleanse your skin, but deeply purifies it. Now, what makes black soap special? It's the addition of activated charcoal, a key ingredient known for drawing out dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin. Now I'll begin adding my natural additives. First, the oat powder I'm using is 40 grams. This helps to gently exfoliate and soothe the skin. Next, I'll add 40 grams of activated charcoal. This is what gives the soap its rich black color and its detoxifying power. After that, I'll include turmeric powder measured precisely. Turmeric helps brighten the skin and adds that natural glow. Then comes aloe vera gel. I'm adding 3 tablespoons. This will moisturize and calm the skin, making this soap perfect for acne-prone and oily skin types. At this point, you can already see this is not just soap, this is skincare. Now I'll carefully add my caustic soda mixture into the oils and blend everything together thoroughly. To finish, I'll add fragrance for a pleasant scent and mix it all well. Once everything is ready, I'll pour the mixture into my soap mold. Now we leave it to rest for 24 hours. And just like that, by the next day your soap is fully formed and ready to be removed from the mold. Take a look at this smooth, rich, and perfectly crafted black soap. Also, if you're looking for high-quality soap-making tools, including molds, cutters, stamps, and more, I've got you covered. All equipment is beginner-friendly, durable, and designed to make your work easier and more professional. Everything is designed to be simple, affordable, and easy to follow. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with others and follow for more valuable content like this. See you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.